viewers, welcome to Fun and Learn with Paul and Joseph. Hi viewers, today we are going to discuss about letter writing. Letter writings are of two kinds. First one is formal letter writing and the second one is informal letter writing. Let's discuss about informal letter writing. To whom do we write informal letter? We write informal letter to our parents, relatives and to our friends. Now let's discuss about the format of informal letter in detail. We write the sender's address at the beginning of the letter on the left hand side. Just below the sender's address, we write the date on which we are writing the letter. When you are writing the date, ensure that you are writing the date in the correct format. Refer the sample given on the left side of the arrow. Once you complete the date, we write a salutation to address the person to whom we are writing the letter. In informal letter, usually we use the salutation dear followed by the name of a friend or the common nouns such as father, mother, uncle, etc. Once the salutation is over, we write the body of the letter. The body of the letter contains the matter which you want to communicate with the receiver. Once you have completed the body of the letter, then we enter into the closing part of the letter. We usually close a letter or end a letter with a complimentary closing along with your name. And the complimentary closings in an informal letters are usually yours friendly, yours lovingly, yours affectionately, etc., which shows a lot of affection, love and bonding between the people to whom you are writing it. And once you have completed the letter, we put the letter in an envelope and ensure that you have written the complete detailed address of the receiver on the envelope. Now let's discuss about formal letter writing. To whom do we write formal letters? We write formal letters to teachers, principals, editors and to the officials. We are going to discuss about the format of formal letter writing here. We write the sender's address on the left hand side of the letter at the beginning. We write the date of the letter in the correct format just below it. Once the date of the letter is over, we write the receiver's address. Once the receiver's address is completed, we write the subject of the letter, which is very important in a formal letter. We usually write formal letters to officials and very busy people. The receiver of your letter must be able to understand the matter of the letter just by reading the subject. So ensure that you use powerful, communicative and short words to write your subject. Once the subject is over, we enter the salutation part of the formal letter. We use respected sir, madam or simply sir or madam to address the receiver. Once the salutation is over, we start writing the matter of the formal letter. Use powerful communicative language in short in a formal letter. Just write only the matter which you need to communicate to the receiver. Ensure your letter should not be too long. Once the body is over, we just begin the ending part or closing part of the letter. we write a complementary closing to end the letter. In a formal letter, we write yours faithfully, yours sincerely, yours truly as complementary closings. Once you complete the complementary closing, write your full name and sign the letter. So, listeners, we have discussed today about formal and informal letter writing in this video. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you like this session and this video, please do subscribe my channel Fun and Learn with Pauline Joseph without forgetting. Thank you.